switch gears now to the latest on the COVID crisis and the impact the Omicron variant's having on children.
Doctors at Akron Children's Hospital say they are seeing the highest number of COVID cases since the pandemic started nearly 2 years ago. Bob Jones spoke to one of the doctors there about the concern for kids.
Akron Children's Hospital numbers from Thursday revealed 39 kids were hospitalized with either COVID-19 or post-COVID inflammatory syndrome. The children were admitted either here at Akron Children's Hospital's main campus or at the campus in Mahoning Valley.
And certainly over the last handful of days, we've seen more patients in the hospital with COVID-19.
Pediatric ICU doctor Michael BIGHAM says the 39 COVID-related hospitalizations were the most at Akron Children's during the pandemic. That number dropped to 28 today, but Dr. BIGHAM says it's still concerning.
Every single day, we're seeing patients in the ICU requiring breathing tubes and breathing machines with COVID-19, requiring blood pressure support, some even requiring heart-lung bypass.
While most children do not get extremely sick from the virus, the doctor says the Omicron variant appears to behave differently in kids, driving up the number of children in the hospital.
I think we should expect to see an increase in an ongoing high rate of hospitalizations in children with Omicron. That is very different than the other variants.
Dr. BIGHAM wants parents to pay attention to recent CDC guidelines.
Vaccines matter.
Recommending kids between 12 and 17 get a booster 5 months after their Pfizer shots.
There's more children that are unvaccinated, and that's absolutely the majority of the patients that we're seeing in the hospital is those unvaccinated children, and some that are too young to get vaccinated.
DONNA SKODA, the commissioner of Summit County Public Health, says the surge in COVID-19 among kids mirrors what's happening with cases overall, the county averaging more than 1,000 cases a day over the past few weeks.
We've never had that before. And I know that all of our hospitals, we've reached record levels.
With that in mind, 3,400 COVID-19 home testing kits will be handed out at Summit County Public Health tomorrow from 10 a.m. to noon. It's first come, first serve, and 1 kit per person.
So if you need 4 for your family, 4 people need to be in the car to get them. It's 1 per actual physical body.
In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.